We have filed a complaint with Bihar police station to Kosil. Accordingly, the FIR was 0 and it is forwarded here at Goa. For that purpose, we came to know this with media that some handsets and other things are with somebody. For that, we have personally appeared before this police station and we have meeting with Mr. I. We have alleging that without our permission, our electronic devices are with somebody and they have put us with 22 days in particular place that we are going to show to Mr. Investigation Officer. And what will continue after some. Yes, we will briefly tell you with the detailed FIR notes.
She has come with a lawyer here and there is an NGO with her. So she has revealed some facts in this case. So we are ascertaining the fact, taking her out for investigation. So as we are cross-checking whether she is saying is correct or no. So that's why we are taking her out and we are ascertaining the facts of the case.
What exactly like?
No, I cannot reveal it now. It will during the course of investigation we will reveal it to everyone. Thank you.